Good morning guys. So day 5 na namin and papunta kami ngayon ng Busan. Nasa train to Busan kami. Gas-gas na yung joke na sana walang zombie. Anyway, kakain kami ng breakfast, kimbap and banana milk. Okay, so after 2 hours ng train to Busan, sa Busan na kami. Ngayon, nasa Gamcheon Cultural Village kami, kung saan marami attraction, bilihan, yan, mga photo op, ganyan. So, explore lang natin ngayon. Ito yung, wait lang, napagod ako. Ito yung cafe ng dad ni Jimin. Magnet. Kain.
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, bust up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah.
Hi guys! So, after namin sa Magnet Cafe, pumunta kami sa beach. Ano kasi to? Guangali Beach. Kakain sana kaming seafood pero mag-o-open daw ng 4:30. So, tambay muna kami by the beach. Alam nyo, mainit yung pero malamig yung hangin. So, okay lang kahit nasisinagan ng araw. Malamig pa rin yung hangin. Tapos, tingnan nyo tong bridge. Rinig ka sa video. Rinig ka sa video. Ang sabi mo?
Gagi, wala ka topless. I want to. Wait, watak mo pa.
Sana mapanood to ng mama mo. Ano kayang bridge to? So nag-order kami. Minimum ng order namin 2 person. Sabi namin, okay, sige, tig-isa kami. Tingnan niyo yung sinerve. Grabe. Laki ng abalis. Ang laki. gonna try the seafood, the crab, marinated raw crab. Okay. Sabi, i-dip daw.
Wow. Wow.
Then, kuha ako nito. Dito. First time.
How was it?
Coconut.
In a good way?
Masarap. Hindi mo mabibili na rosa.
Oh, really?
Ako na.
So high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind. Flying, get on board.
And we're here at the airport. Pauwi na kami ng Pilipinas.
Hindi ka sure.
Hindi tayo sure. Pero super pagod. Super overwhelming. Yun ang word ko for Korea.
Yeah, same.
Overwhelming. Ang dami namin napuntahan, ang dami namin nagawa. And definitely gusto namin bumalik. So, until then, bye guys! Halata akong sobrang pagod ko. Bye, Elsa. Bye-bye. Bye. Tulala na.